be afraid now. Huh? Awful gentle on the kiss.
Almost got out.
Wait till my friends see this.
Can you look this way just for a second here? Watch out so it doesn't slap you in the face.
Go ahead. Oh!
He's gonna lay down on it.
Yep. It's pretty funny.
Tractor is supposed to save my yard.
So don't just leave him here. Oh.
I could have reached out and grabbed that thing.
There it goes.
All right, let's get out of here.
He's playing with us. He's trying to find a way down.
Tammy, you're looking prettier every time I see you.
Put away the phone.
You come to take my food? Don't take my food! Don't take my food!
Oh my gosh.
You had to drive! All right, back up and win! Oh my gosh, it's trying to unzip my bag. It's trying to unzip my... Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Halfway.
Okay, maybe. Look, don't spit it out. Eat it. Yes.
Oh.
About $5 a pack.
Don't you? Dum 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 dum.
No.
Are you going in the water? I'm going in the water. Oh, you got this. Just gotta pass that area. There you go.
Oh my God. See, I knew she wasn't. Are you?
You okay?
Gosh.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Just don't move, don't move.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
To George of the Jungle. Oh! You're lucky you didn't get out there.
Are you goofing off? You mean to show off, aren't you?
That's hilarious.
Hey, key out! Hey! You're gonna break my satellite radio!
25 years ago.
What type of monkey is this again?
A marmoset.
Marmoset. Look at this little.
Hello, princess. Wanna get my eye? Wanna bite my eye out of my face? Hmm? Hello. How are you doing? Oh, don't eat that.
One. Just hug it. Are you okay? No. Put your hand.
Just let me go.
No. Awesome!
Playing with your stuff, you will. Crazy. Trying to attack your phone. Okay,
That ain't cool. That is not cool.
No, don't. You're gonna fall. Nice dance, Ellie.
Dude, you need to leave the area. Don't you dare come at me!